the top 10 richest people of India in 2024. Number 1. Mukesh Ambani. Mr. Mukesh Ambani, the managing director and chairman of Reliance Industries, is India's wealthiest individual. His age is 67 years. As reported by Forbes, Reliance Industries has a revenue of over 9.03 lakh rupees crore. It is involved in diverse sectors such as petrochemicals, oil and gas, retail, telecom, and more. Ambani's three children, Akash, Anant, and Isha, are actively involved in managing different divisions of the organizations. Number 2. Gautam Adani. The Adani Foundation, established by Gautam Adani in 1996, has his wife, Preeti Adani, serving as its chairperson. His age is 61 years. The group's business interests encompass various sectors, including ports, airports, power generation and transmission, and green energy. Adani is recognized as India's largest airport operator and also controls Gujarat's Mundra port, the country's largest. Number 3. Shiv Nadar. His source of wealth is HCL Enterprise. His age is 78 years. Shiv Nadar is the proprietor of the HCL Group and a pioneer of the IT industry in India. HCL boasts renowned clientele such as Cisco, Microsoft, and Boeing. In recognition of his remarkable contributions to the IT industry, the Indian government bestowed Mr. Nadar with the Padma Bhushan in 2008. Mr. Nadar is a highly respected philanthropist. He has donated 2,042 crore rupees in late 2023 to various causes. Number 4. Savitri Jindal and family. Savitri, age is 74 years, wife of late Mr. Om Prakash Jindal's wife. She is an Indian politician and entrepreneur who holds the esteemed position of Emeritus Chair at the O.P. Jindal Group. Currently, her four sons run O.P. Jindal Group companies separately usage as JSW Steel, Jindal Steel and Power, JSW Energy, JSW Saw, JSW Cement and JSW Holdings. Number 5. Dilip Sanghvi. His age is 68 years. Dilip Sanghvi's source of wealth is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. This is the first Indian pharma company with a $5 billion valuation. Number 6. Cyrus Poonawalla. His age is 82 years. His source of wealth is Serum Institute of India. Cyrus Poonawalla, a prominent figure in vaccine development within India, the institute is headquartered in Pune. Notably, the Serum Institute has the prestigious title of being the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. The recent increase in Cyrus Poonawalla's wealth is due to the widespread utilization of the COVID-19 vaccines. Number 7. Kushal Pal Singh. His age is 92. Source of wealth is DLF Limited. DLF is the India's biggest listed real estate firm. Number 8. Kumar Birla. Age 56 years. Source of wealth is Aditya Birla Group. Apart from its involvement in the aluminium and cement sectors, the group also provides financial services. He was recently made additional director of boards of Vodafone Idea. Number 9. Radhakishan Shivkishan Damani. His age is 69 years. Radhakishan is renowned as the founder of Avenue Supermarts Limited, which runs almost 336 D-Mart stores in India. He has stakes in VST Tobacco Industry and India Cement, and his property portfolio also includes Radisson Blu Resort in Alibaug. Number 10. Lakshmi Mittal. His age is 73 years. Lakshmi Mittal is famous for being chairman of the world's largest steel and mining company of ArcelorMittal Steel. The company reported a net income of $919 million in 2023. We have to wait till the end of this year to find out how many of them will get placed in the list of highest philanthropists, that is, someone who gives money to help people who are poor or sick. Thank you.